Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. So I want to talk about your reality when it comes to trading, specifically automated trading. Let's talk about this guy, this some dude I just saw discovered on YouTube, and it came to his site called Foos Alerts. This is pretty crazy. This is really expensive stuff. You got some day trader going on about making money with some manual system as a human trader. I'm not going to mention names here, but this is one of them. I guess this guy's fairly new, but he's getting pretty popular and all this stuff. You can see the pricing here: $197 a month, $100 a month, $147 a month. It's crazy. And then he's got all these packages, and you can schedule a consultation and talk to some probably robotic support agent. Let's see what we're doing. I want to learn how to trade. Please help me. Okay, so in the meantime, let's see what this guy says. So let's talk about realistic ways of making money. The best way to do that is through hedge funds. So here's a typical hedge fund that I'm not going to name names. The person that was part of the discussion that spawned this video, Paul Tudor, one of the old dogs. Years of lackluster returns because he's old school, he's human based. And just getting clobbered. You can see he's getting major outflows of $1 billion. That may be a big chunk of change for the guy. But the performance is probably, from CNBC, lackluster returns. Now, if we go over to the best... okay, let me just show you this. Today is July 25th, 2016. So you can see here, this article is April 14th, 2016. So it's fairly recent. Oh, our Robert... Let's see what Robert says about how does penny stock differ from Forex trading. Let's see if he knows his stuff, because I heard these guys don't know their shit. Okay, so continuing along. So here's the best performing hedge funds for this year. It's from February 2016. We trade stocks. Okay, Robert's still typing. Here's something I want you to pay attention to. Tulip Trend Fund. Okay, managed funds, managed futures. Equity Diversified Global. Horseman. Now, in here, we should be reading these. What we are looking for: credit. I've known that to be quite good. Managed futures. Oh, here we are. Here's our first one. This is a fairly well-known one out of London. Brevin Howard. Systematic trading. Okay? Systematic trading for another one. Systematic trading. I want you to pay attention to that name. Directional. Computer-driven. Again, all these managed futures. Systematic. Michael's, obviously we got Rentex still in there. They're consistently up there. 15%, 9%. Not bad. Let's see. Renaissance Technology again. Renaissance Institutional. Now I don't know if that's Renaissance Technology. And then there was a quantitative one in there that I wanted to show you. But a good quarter, maybe a third of these are systematic. Oh, here we go. And here's one that's quantitative. Now, this is a typical article that Shalom sent over. And let's see if I can do a full screen here. Actually, let's see what Robert said. We trade stocks. It's unregulated gamble. Let me see what he says about any brokers I should go with for penny stock trading. I'll see if this guy's full of crap or not. If it's offshore, see what he says. Anyways, so let me just show you what I want to show you here. Okay, so here is a typical research paper. Now this is typical systematic trading, maybe even quantitative. Because here, spread volatility volume relationship is a really easy research paper to understand, even though this may throw people so off with the math. God, this is getting exciting. I feel like I'm talking to an online date. Depends how much capital you're dealing with. I have 10,000, 10K. Where should I, what broker should I start with? Yep, I'm hoping he'll say interactive brokers. But going back to here, see, here is typical quantitative techniques that you can use, looking at bid-ask spread. But these sort of things you can't really do as a human. You need to be programmatic and writing out some kind of system to be able to do this. Now, could you do this in like a MetaTrader or some other kind of retail trading system? Maybe, but there's so many flexibilities in the API that you work with is very, very limited. And typically your choices of brokers is a hindrance as well. So this is why I like to stress to roll your own. Let's see what our buddy says. Speed Trader. For accounts over 25K, they are awesome. Speed Trader. High speed trade platforms. Let's see if they are based out of the States. This guy may be legit. They may not be. High speed trader. Where are they based out of? About us. Let's see where they are. Institutional trading services. I absolutely love the trading platform. Contact. Let's see where they're based out of. Yeah, they're US based, so they may be legit. Interesting. What do you learn? Oh, I see. Hold on here. See, they got here for accounts below. We recommend our hedge fund trading educational opportunity. These guys sound like they're okay, but again, it comes back to this where, you know, this is the right way to trade. This is the future. The performance right here dictates all that. Even if you're looking for consistent, you always have your Renaissance Technologies. They dominate it, and they're one of the biggest HFT players out there. So, yeah, a good quarter, maybe, I don't know, third, maybe systematic, and that's the future of trading. And that's the end of that. Let's see what our friend says. New message from, what's your email? I'll send over one email. We'll start promotions, the cheapest way to get started. Let me, Let me think of a good place to go. I need a fake email. What could I use? What's Yandex? Okay, yandex.com. So you can send it over to make up a name. Yuri. I don't know. Putinya at yandex.com. So I'm Russian. So there you go. We got probably going to do the heavy pressure of pushing this stuff on me. Expensive. And good luck to the guy. or to whoever this is, but there's so many of these type of services out here. Dude is like chilling out. Let me show you this site. It's kind of funny. Okay, so he's got his blog. He's got a hedge fund. Check that out. He's really special. But again, I just showed you the best performing. They're all systematic. I think people get bought into hedge funds and the buzz of it. Level 1. I have no idea what this stuff is. And boy, I'm really excited to join the hedge fund. Just $99 a month, folks. So what else has he got? We've gone over his alerts, 147 a month. Now this does not include all this other stuff. So I guess we need to get his platinum to get all this stuff. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know if this is corrupt or not. If the broker's good, if it's a clean broker, I don't know who they are. But let me show you some of the stuff. Okay, so he's penny stock. Here he is. This is the guy, one of these guys here, with chicks and stuff. Wow, this is really annoying. This friggin' thing just reeks desperation. Yeah, let me show you his Instagram. Let's go over to his Instagram. So, no? Okay. Wow, this thing is... God damn, this is really ticking me off, but it's funny. I don't even know where to go for his... Okay. Is it going to take me... Doesn't even take me to his Instagram. Wow. Dude, you got problems, man. So we're going to do Instagram, Foos, alerts. I guess that's the Instagram. There we go. Cameron, Foos Alert, Instagram. Let's see what he's got. So he's got chicks on here. Yeah, that's really helpful in trading. Yeah, I'm really turned on by that. Little photo screen of his little car. He's got a hot body. He's a workaholic dude because he pumps iron and surfs like he's my hero. He's got, oh, look at his watch. Reeks full of you know who. But it's another dude coming out of the same camp. I mean, I'm just amazed that people get turned on by this. If he was good, we'd hope to see him on Business Insider, best performing with his hedge fund. But there you go. And we're still waiting to hear back from our friend Robert. Sure, sent it to. Awesome, thanks. But I guess Robert didn't get back to me. Oh well, let's close the chat. Let's close the video. But it was fun talking to Robert at Foos Alerts, and thanks for this. Let's do a review now on this speed alert. Or what's it called? This broker, Speed Trader. Let's see. Is Speed Trader corrupt? Simple as that. Oh, there it is. Corruption. Institutional corruption. Well, we know that the HFT is rigged. We know that. Let's do a review. Speed Trader review. Broker review. Speed Trader review. Online. Some of these I don't know. Investimonials. I know this is our friend's website, so I don't. Worst customer service in the world. Scammers. Avoid Speed Trader. Oh, okay. Looks like some truth to that. Used to great pricing increase. Worst broker out there. Blah 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 blah. And then stay away. I left a comment from their. Wow. So, run, Forrest, run. Awesome broker. So, I don't know. There's a lot of negative reviews just on the first bunch. A lot of unhappy people. So, I guess this isn't what I thought it would be. Thanks, dude. Yeah, you party on, man. You're not gonna get my credit card with all the chicks and stuff. I'd like to see his day come to an end among other people of his ilk. But follow this performance here. I think that's more legit. Paul Tudor, well, was fine, but he's fallen off the radar. But again, systematic computerized trading is the important way. Alright, so we'll talk to you later. Hopefully you had fun with this video, and over and out. And thank you very much, Robert Miller, I guess, over at that website. And thanks for the tip on this Wunderbar speed trader that's getting crushed on the review side. Good luck.